Did somebody say make money? That's right. We're here. We're live. It's weird. It's real weird right now. I feel like it's Monday, but it's actually Tuesday. Mega Money Mondays. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Good morning. Good morning. How'd you guys' weekend go? 3-day weekend. Everybody have a good time? Everybody have a good time this weekend? Let me know in the chat who's up, who's down on the weekend. I'm up on the weekend. Had a great weekend. Went on the boat, cruised around, bought a lot of fun stuff. A lot of fun stuff. If you see behind me, I had to get rid of the McLaren. I sold the McLaren. It's gone. I'm too broke. No, actually, I tried to drop the McLaren off this morning. I'm getting it tuned. Getting it tuned so it'll be faster, baby. All right. So this morning, I was a little excited this morning. I looked at the chart early this morning and look at this. We had that big old gap about 6 o'clock this morning. We had this big old gap before the market opened, obviously, and now we're starting to pull back and getting a little bit closer to where we closed out there on Friday. So I was hoping for a big old gap move here at open. Looks like we kind of already made that move back down here. We got a little bit more room to go, about 70 cents. So nothing too crazy here, but we'll see what happens. It's Monday. We got some news today as well. We got the VWAP VWAP right now at the 18,900 level. So going into open right now, what do we got? The overnight, the overall trend. Look at this trend so far. This is Friday's end of day move. We've been holding that trend. We've got the all-time high up there at the 19,021s. If we look here at the chart right now, what's this thing looking like? We had this previous area of resistance, that 18,900 level, turning into support there. So Mega Money Mondays. Someone said it's Tuesday. Patrick, you're repeating yourself. Am I? Repeat. Patrick. All right. P, what's the ticker you're using for the QQQ chart? That's not a real question. That's not a real question, is it? That's not a real question, is it? That's not a real question. Yeah, he's already trolling me this morning. Let me think. What would be the ticker symbol for the QQQ? Let me think. What could it possibly be? All right, right now looking here at the hourly chart on the NASDAQ right now, that 18,900 level previous area of resistance from Thursday and on Friday. So let's see if that area of resistance is going to turn into support here. 18,900. I've always wondered about the 911 thing, right? The 911 thing is kind of funny because, you know, like when you see like a cop car or you see like a sign, it's like call 911 for an emergency. I'm like, 911? Should I call 911? Like, how the fuck do you not know 911 at this point? Why? Like, they literally put 911 on the side of a cop car. I don't get it. You see a cop car, you're like, wait, that's a cop. Should I call 911? All right. I thought we were gonna have a nice little gap fill there at open, but you can see we already filled back down into here now. So the fill was pretty much, not that we filled it, but the fact that we've just kind of moved back down closer to where we closed out on Friday. Still a little bit of a gap there on the QQQ right now, about a dollar gap or so. So we'll see if that's going to get filled here at open. Get filled at open back down there. 458s here. This is the QQQ. The Asian low, 885. I see that. I see that. Hello from Morocco. We're worldwide, baby. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing it live for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesdays. We've got news this morning as well. We had 9 o'clock news just come out. And then we got some actual important news at 10 o'clock. We've got the consumer confidence number at 10 o'clock. And it says that FOMC member Cash Carey is speaking at 9:45. That fucker's the worst. Cash Carey. I'm getting stage two tuning with race pipes and stuff on the McLaren. So that's why it's not behind me. How was the weekend? The weekend was good, baby. We're living the dream down here. Florida. We went to the sandbar, Lake Boca, and I was looking around. I'm like, man, you would think that, you know, Joe Biden had the most votes ever, right? Had all these people voting for him. You would think that there'd be more people with like pro Joe Biden flags. But the weirdest thing, I didn't see one pro Biden flag. Not one flag that said I love Biden. It's so weird. I just don't get that. I actually drove past this restaurant on the water with the FJB flag, and it was funny because people actually stood up and were clapping and cheering us. So, you know, pretty funny. I think it makes perfect sense because at the end of the day, they ain't giving out boats for free on welfare, you know? They ain't giving boats out for welfare. Them damn Democrats. I saw more Trump flags in 2020 and yet he lost. Well, let's not, you know, let's be honest. We all know that it was rigged. Come on. You're going to tell me that Joe Biden actually won the presidency? Legitimately? Come on. It's getting tuned up, baby. Tuesday. It's not even, the market's not even open. We're already getting into it. The dude that couldn't anchor the boat was amazing. Guys, it's not like when I say that the election was rigged, I'm not saying that it was like they went out and put in like fake votes. But what I'm saying is, we all know that the Democrats played everybody, right? The Democrats played the BLM crowd. The Democrats played the COVID crowd. Come on, you're gonna tell me that all the shit that happened with BLM and all the stuff that happened wasn't just a political movement? Come on. It's not even about the votes themselves. It's the fact that they brainwashed people in America to think that Joe Biden was the answer to success, you know, to racial issues. Hey everybody, we have racial issues in America. Guess who's gonna fix it? Some old white guy. Yeah. Come on. Think about that. And I'm not even saying that Trump would have been, like, you know, like my whole argument at the end of the day comes down to two simple ideas. That the only two people that we have to vote for is either Trump or Biden. You know, like that's just the crazy part. Like, give me somebody else. Give me a better option, you know? Like, that's the two best options we got. Come on, it's fucked up. Do you think we need a wall? Fuck yeah, we need a huge wall. We need a wall that's 1,000,000 miles tall, goes around the whole goddamn country. I'm going for president. I've actually, yesterday I was researching what I need to do to run for Senate. You know? I got to figure out what I'm going to run for Senate. I got to become a senator before I become president, I think, right? Ugh. No, I can run for Senate for sure. I think I could become a senator for sure. Guaranteed. Yeah, but Trump was different. I need to be a senator. I want to be a senator first. I want to become a senator, go to Washington, change some shit, fuck up some shit, and then become president, you know? You would get 2 votes. One from your mom and one from your aunt, Joseph. Because I'm taking care of both of them. Hey, I mean, if Trump can be president, I can be fucking president, all right? Think about that. If Trump can be president, I could definitely be president. I say some crazy shit on the internet, but like, I mean, you know, I feel like at this point, anybody can be fucking president. Bro, Trump is sharp. I'm pretty fucking sharp. What are you talking about? I mean, what are they going to come after? They can come after my past all they want. Victoria is as hot as Melania. I think she's hotter. I don't know. I feel like Americans are starting to figure out, you know, that the whole cancel culture bullshit is bullshit. You know, cancer culture bullshit is just becoming more and more bullshit. All right, we got 14 minutes here till the market opens up. The cancel culture is the cancer culture as well. All right, so again, looking at the bigger picture here, the NASDAQ, we know this 18,900 level was a resistance back there on Friday, also resistance there on Thursday. So ding, ding, ding. We're kind of in that range right here. I like to see this 18,900 level turn into support. We want to see that support. If we don't get that support, well, then guess what? It ain't looking too hot. We could get a nice move down here today. But as of right now, I'm just kind of being patient and waiting and watching to see what happens here at open. We're right at the VWAP right now, by the way. VWAP is at the 18,900 level. We do have the overnight low right down here as well. So, let's see what happens here at open. In TradingView CME, there's no gaps. How can you see them? We look at the QQQ for the gaps. If you change regulation on red snapper in Florida, you'll definitely get my vote. I'm in. I'm changing it. No more red snapper regulation. Everybody gets a red snapper. You get a red snapper. You get a red snapper. Vote for Patrick and you get 1 red snapper delivered to your house. All right, so again, we're looking here at the QQQ, the ETF. It shows us the gap, the close from Friday there, 458 level right now, 459. So not a massive gap, but still a gap to be aware of. The dollar is trending lower right now. We got 10 o'clock news. We got big, well, I don't say it's big, but we got consumer confidence. So at least we know that it's a Monday and we've got news today. Monday news. Let's party, baby. I know it's Tuesday. I keep saying it's I know Monday. I'm just used to. I'm used to waking up first day of the, first day of the week getting excited for Monday. And obviously it's not fucking Monday. I get it. I get it. Consumer confidence is just a survey of 3,000 people. It's not that important. Well, hopefully it happens. I'm 35 years old. 35 years old. Did I catch any fish on the weekend? Yeah, I put the video up on the channel of me catching mahi mahi. Mahi mahi. Well, I'd say right now this is looking a lot like a Head and Shoulders here. We got the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. I don't know, that looks like something else as well, but definitely looks like a Head and Shoulders. I don't know. Something going on here. Right now, looking at the hourly chart. We'll see what happens here today. We just need a couple good trades. One or two good trades, baby. One or two good trades. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, helps me help you. Hit the like button. We are live. We're doing it. It's happening. We are here to make some money for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesdays. The daily chart on the NASDAQ right now. Looking not too pretty up here, but the trend is up, up, up. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy, man. To see how much we've moved since November of last year. And then even going further back. January 2022, down there, almost 10,000. It's insane. January 2023. Crazy. That shit's cray, like fish fillet. All right, so like I said, 18,900, kind of a key level here. If we lose that 900 support, well, it's a pretty good chance we kind of move back the overnight low down there to see this price action 1880 area. So well, let's see what happens. We got 7 minutes till the market opens up. 7 minutes till the market opens here. Nvidia will lift the market. Lift it up to the moon. So we got the ES, we got the NASDAQ, we got the Dow. Everything kind of pulled back here, sitting at this level right now. The Dow sitting not as pretty as the rest of the market here, honestly. The Dow kind of just didn't really regain much overnight here or even on Friday. So the Dow trying to make kind of a new low here, actually. We'll see what happens. Dollar bills. We got 5 minutes. Are you always buy or sell? I'm both. I go both ways, bro. I buy and I sell. Don't tell anybody. Patrick, will you go to the Rockstar Offshore tournament in Costa Rica? I need a bigger boat for Costa Rica. Patrick, do you like ICT? Yeah, I think ICT is the biggest clown on the internet. It's great. It's great comedy. I can't trade. ICT. Do you think ICT just magically made up this word? No, he knew. It was self-fulfilling. Can you do a day trade off with ICT and Danny Trades? No, I can't. Somebody said they're looking for NASDAQ to get above this kind of 40 level for a push-up. I would have to agree with you there. Right now, we're in this, basically in this range from the overnight here. We popped out of it. We pulled back into it now. So we will see what happens here at open. Patrick, can you start the McLaren? I don't have the McLaren. I sold it. I'm broke. It's gone. Look, nothing's there anymore. Oh no. Four minutes. 4 minutes. We do have a gap. Got a gap in the QQQ. All right, the QQQ right now is sitting there at the VWAP. We got that gap possible for the fill. Put the NASDAQ down there below the 18,900 level there. We got the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ at the 911s. How often do gaps fill? I think it's like 75% of the time, 80% of the time. I don't know the exact stats, so. Hey, I just want you to know that Jesus loves you and God doesn't hate you. Well, fuck. Thank you for clarifying that. Now I'm ready to go, baby. The McLaren is getting a new exhaust and getting tuned. That's why it's not behind me right now. I dropped it off this morning to get new exhaust and get it tuned up. Get it tuned up, baby. 655 horsepower. Stage 2. So you are calling for the gap to get filled. I'm not calling for anything. I'm calling for the idea that there is a gap in the chart. We know it's there. If we start selling, very high chance that we fill that gap down there, 458 level on the QQQ here, putting us down probably to the 18,880 area on the NASDAQ. So we got a little less than 30 seconds here. The Dow just made a new low. The YM, the Dow making a new low here. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. The market is open. Right now, sitting there at the VWAP for now, holding up there at the VWAP on the NASDAQ. The Dow right now making a new low here. NASDAQ holding on for now. Holding up there at the VWAP there. That 915 area holding us up here for now. VWAPing. She's squeezing straight up. NASDAQ stuck here at the 30s. Going nowhere quickly, so just being patient, my friends. Chopping around for now, straight back down here. The chop is real. Just continuing to chop in this range here. We got news at 10 o'clock. They lose that 900 support. Some more room to the downside there. That 900 level, like I said, been a key level here. Now chopping it back up there. Oh, I think she wants to lose that 900 support. Just holding up there for now. There she goes, right through the 900s. Straight down, buddy. I am short, looking for this move down here through the 900s nicely. See that QQQ is going to get the gap fill here. See if we take out that 85 support down there from earlier through the 90s here now. holding up there at the 90s. We got news at 10 o'clock here. News at 10 o'clock today. Back above the VWAP here on the NASDAQ. Oh, God. Just got to lose that 18,900 support, and this thing wants to move it on down. The YM just ripped back up after dumping. NASDAQ really likes this 90 area, but I think we got to get one more move down here. Currently short, looking for this move down. People asking in the chat, looking to see if we can get through the 90s there. I covered my short earlier and jumped back in here again. See if we can get down there. Okay. Gaps love to get filled. The QQQ gap making that move down there, almost filling it all the way. 458s. 458s on the gap fill here. Remember, kids, gaps love to get filled. Still going lower. Ugh. Look at this thing. Oh my baby Jesus. Mile High Daddy just passed 150K evaluation with Apex. Let's go. Oh my baby Jesus. Look at this thing go. NASDAQ down, down, down. Periscope. Down, down, down. Periscope. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me up. Blow up the like button. Wow. You guys crushed that short or what? Insane. In the membrane. Still dumping here. NASDAQ said, hold my beer, boys. We're going downtown. So the NASDAQ pulling back here into this 830 level. We had some support down there. What a dump there. Hourly candle that dumped straight down there. The gap has been filled. The gap has been filled. I think it's a good chance we kind of find some support down here for now and make a little pop back up here a little bit before these numbers come out. We're right there at a pivot point as well on the hourly chart. My pivots aren't working on. My pivots aren't working for some reason. They broke the pivots. NASDAQ. TradingView doesn't want us to win anymore. Oh, because the half day on Monday probably messed it up. All right, let's see if we get back up there towards the 60s now. Somebody in the chat said to get short. Ooh, ouch. Just ripped up 10 points right there. We got 10 o'clock news coming up here in 9 minutes. There's that pushback up there towards the 60s. Thought we'd get a bounce back up here. Alex Kern, you got no idea what you should do. Don't do anything. If you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Right now we're looking at the NQ. We've got the 15-minute range. So our 15-minute range is right there, 70 level. We got news coming out here in 8 minutes. Patrick, did you take the short? Yes, I took the short. Hey. Dr. Witt, let's go. Up $11,000. And there it is, back up there into the 60s to retest that 15-minute opening range. When did I take the short? Earlier when I said that it was gonna break through. The short. Earlier. Shorted 9/10s, and then here look at that dump all the way down there. So what a move. No worries. On the boat? All right, hold on one second. Come on. BRB. Mark, you know the detail guy who put the fucking motors? Why am I dealing with this shit? He needs to turn them. Yeah, he needs to turn the motors up. People, I got a detail guy here working on the boat, and I had to go help him for a second, but I had my little marky mark to meet dealing with that. Why am I dealing with it? No, it's literally there's a guy detailing my boat right now, and he needed me to trim the motors up. All right, we got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the numbers come out here. 5 minutes. Dollar's going straight up. We got 4 minutes till this numbers comes out. I have no position right now. There's numbers coming out in 3 minutes. If you have a position open right now, you're an idiot, and you might as well just go ahead and lose all your money. Wait for the numbers to come out, and then we'll see what happens. Do I have a gap fill video on the channel? Oh yeah, lots of them. All right, sitting here watching. Waiting for these numbers. 2 minutes. We do have a gap on the QQQ still open. This is the Friday gap. We gapped up there on Friday, so it's still open there. We'll see if we can get this moved down. I think this news comes out, we move down here. Let's see. The 15-minute opening range playing out as well. 15-minute opening range playing out, playing something. It's working, doing its thing. 1 minute till the numbers now. We are right there at 840 is a pivot point on the hourly chart. We had an hourly chart pivot point right there at the 840s that we're holding right now. So see how this plays out when these numbers come out here. Still stuck there below the 15-minute opening range. I'd say if we lose 850s, we make that move down here. So watching 850s here. Taking this short to see if we get this move through the low so far. Keeping my tight stop for now, just in case this wants to pop back up. Pops back up for now. Wow. I was thinking we're just gonna waterfall right through there. Come on. Lose that 850 area there. I don't know why I do that shit with the stop loss. So stupid. Getting that move through the 50s here. Looking to see if we take out that 30 area there. I mean, either way, I took a fucking... The stop is fine. Look at that rip back up, so... It should have went right through that low. It shouldn't have... The way that it pops back up is... That just shouldn't have popped back up like that. So, it worked. Tight stop, got stopped out 3 points instead of taking a whole beating. Whoa. Did the numbers really come out 2 minutes late? No. Dollar's going straight up. NASDAQ ripping straight back up there now. Wow. You live near Tampa? No, I live on the fucking East Coast. Papa Bull, let's go. Taking those payouts. All right, NASDAQ pushing back up here. 15-minute chart still not looking too hot right now. We need to kind of get through this 18,000, back above that 18,900 area for the bulls. So we will see what happens. If we get above that 18,900 area, well, you know, get it back above the VWAP. VWAP right now, 18,900 here for the NASDAQ. We basically filled the gap there on the QQQ, right? So we filled the gap here. There was the overnight gap here. We filled that, and now see if we're gonna turn that VWAP into support there on the Qs. Somebody asked me, what do I think? Is it gonna retest the low? I try not to predict it, man. Just trade what I see. Right now, she's trying to push up here. 18,900 is just kind of that key level. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. We're heading back into the middle of the 15-minute range here. And again, the NASDAQ back up there. Oh, buddy. $18,900. Come on, I'm working on it right now, actually. I was working on that earlier. I got your email. You know it's for only $100, right? Only $100. Everybody gets so excited for the $100. All right, that 18,900 level resistance here. Again, it's hard to get long right there, you know? It's hard to get long right there when you know that resistance is there. Come on, the money has been sent. Check your PayPal. All right, NASDAQ getting stuck there right below 18,900, right there at the VWAP. VWAP, everything right there. Look at that. That VWAP resistance pulling back here again. Why do you split your PA accounts into two groups? Just basically that way, if you blow up one group, you don't lose all of them, you know? Kind of a little bit of a safety net, I feel like. A little safety net, man. Instead of blowing up all 20, you only blow up 10. Five at a time is not a bad idea either. All right, you can see the VWAP there, that blue line holding us down for now. What I would like to see, if I want to get long, I basically want to get us, you know, above this area of chop, pull back, retest VWAP, and then make that push up there to break out of the 15-minute opening range. Those are my VWAP settings. Which way we going? Which way we going? Don't forget, Apex is 90% off still. This is the last and final week. A 90% off one-day pass, Apex. Let's go. Link down below. Use the code PW for always the best deals. The best deals. All right, again, NASDAQ up to test the VWAP here. Oh, buddy. Well, there you go. Back up to the VWAP there. Will we push through the VWAP here? Dollar's pulling back. NASDAQ wants to go through the VWAP. Obviously, this 80 area is a key level for the bulls right now. We get down below that 80 level, trouble there, but as of right now, just sitting right below the VWAP. The bulls know they got to get it above the VWAP. They know. They know. Back to the 80s again. Oh. I'm watching right here to see how this is reacting to that 90 level. I'm gonna try this long to get this push up through the VWAP. Gotta go right here, gotta go. Needs to get through that 95 right here, right now. We'll take off 5 right there, then move the other 5 there. Put my stop to the low of that candle, the breakout candle here. I'm gonna move my target up as well here. Stopped out there for now. Just didn't want to give it too much. She wants it above the VWAP. She wants it above the VWAP here. Getting real tight there at the VWAP. There we go, 89, 99.99. Dollar's pulling back. Right now we're looking at the 2-minute chart. Little blue line VWAP. Griffin Harris, yes, I have the 50K account. If the NASDAQ can't get through the VWAP here, it's in trouble. It's in trouble. If it can't, it's got to go right here, right now. Right, it's got to do it right here, right now, boys. Right here, right now. $18,900. Oh my baby Jesus. All right, trying to get through here. This is what I originally wanted to see happen earlier there. There we go, through the VWAP now. Nice and easy, lemony squeezy. Or not easy, but through the VWAP. All right, so now we're in the middle of that 15-minute range. Getting back above the VWAP here. I'd say if this candle here, this 15-minute candle starts to roll off, well, then we start moving back down here now. We kind of fake out above that previous 15-minute candle. Get that move back down now. All right, so we're getting stuck there again at the VWAP. Are these bulls gonna get rewarded, or are they gonna get fucked here, I guess? The VWAP bulls. The VWAP bulls. Looks like it might be a painful morning for them. The rest of the market's not looking too hot. The ES, the Dow, both looking weak right now. So I just don't see how the Nasdaq's gonna just keep squeezing up here when everything else is not looking too hot. The dollar's starting to push back up here. This should be the point where the Nasdaq starts to move back down after testing the VWAP. Let's go. Ali 821 up $7,000. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up, baby. Oh, buddy. Dollar just popped up. The Dow sitting down at the lows, 3,900 on the E-mini Dow. Leonidas is funded. Let's go. I've been to Hilton Head. I have. Oh, man. Nasdaq down there, the 80s. Now we're just in the range here, in the middle of the range, in another range. We have a range inside of a range. Two ranges. The ES right now is like going nowhere. So just to recap, we got the gap fill this morning. We had the gap fill there on the QQQ. We talked about this before the market even opened. The close from Friday there, we filled the gap, doop, boop, boop, and then now we're just kind of chopping around here. So I don't know about you guys, but those gap fills, they pay the bills. Nothing wrong with making easy money and then walking away. Amen. Good. That works for me. Thanks. I don't even know who that was. Like, I have no idea who that was. So I think it was, I called, today I have a detailer on the boat. I've got an AC guy coming. I've got another guy coming to look at the boat. I've got like 4 people coming today. I don't even know. I literally answer, he's like, I'm on the way. I'm like, sounds good to me. I don't know who you are, but it works. So Oliver, do you eat all the fish that you catch? Yeah, we don't really sell it. You got to have like permits and licensing to sell the fish. We mostly keep it. Mostly keep it. All right, NASDAQ back up to the VWAP once again. The dollar just dumped. The dollar just absolutely just dumped straight down. Someone must be speaking. Somebody's speaking, aren't they? I think there is someone speaking. Or something just came out. What just came out? Why did the dollar just dump so hard? Nothing, I don't know. It seems like owning a boat is a fuck ton of work. I mean, maybe if you're broke, it's not like I'm out there working on it. I mean, you know, I got people who do all the work. I just have all the fun. I'm just out here having fun, baby. NASDAQ back above the VWAP once again. All right, all right. This thing does not want to go down today. This thing does not want to go out today. Nicholas L. told you. What'd you tell me? Pat Uno, how the fuck are you? I'm living great, man. Living the dream right now. We're just super living right now. Nicholas L. Oh my dude. Do you want to get banned? Now you're defending the fact that you told Patrick, promise that you stay in 2025 YouTube live. No promises. The indicator that you see on the chart is a Lux Algo price action concepts that I use. NASDAQ pushing. She's a pushing. Sneaky Venom. Once again, excited to talk about the short. He's been sneaky Texas Venom. You've been talking about getting short all morning since this move, so. Dollar's pulling back here, so see what the dollar does here. NASDAQ is grinding. It's funny because we talked about this 40 area earlier, trying to be the point of reversal here, which is kind of right in line with that overnight move 830, 840 level there on the NASDAQ now, so. Joe Black, why don't you trade ICT concepts? Because they don't work, but whatever. Dollar's dumping straight back down here, so NASDAQ is gonna make this move, I think. Straight up here through the VWAP. Had to get that manipulation. They had to manipulate it there, you know? Manipulation. Gotta pop it up there and then drop it down and then whee! There's the move. Alex Blanchett, how much money did I make today? A lot of money. With the Apex account, do you have 30 days to win the challenge? No, you have as many days as you want. Or you can do it in one day. Spence, why don't you trade the 250K account? Why don't I trade the $1 million account? I don't fucking know. Why don't you trade the 250K account? I've already talked about this. I think the best risk to reward in terms of value is the 50K account. That's what I personally think. Does that mean that everyone should do that? No, but it's up to you guys. I don't know what's happening with the dollar right now, but the dollar is just straight down right now. I guess just because the market's showing strength here. So I would, if you're looking for a long right now, I think the best long opportunity would be to try to get this pullback into this 900 level one more time. The ES just went straight up. Problem is I just don't know if we're gonna get that low. Back down to that VWAP would be ideal. Back into this 900 area one more time. Turn that, put in that higher low, you know, like that, but maybe we don't go that deep into the pullback there. The nice thing is, you know, if we get above this 940 level, well, there's still plenty of room to the upside there as well. So patience, my friends, patience. What would you say to ICT if he was with you right now? Pay me my $500,000, you motherfucker. That's what I would tell him. Am I mad that I don't even know what to call him, a self-proclaimed market creator of the market algorithm like some other YouTuber? Yes, I'm very upset. I'm very upset about that. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. It hurts. What am I gonna do? ICT, why don't you like me? I banned him from my chat because I was tired of him coming into my chat and talking like nonsense. So, yeah. It would obviously be better for me to, you know, ride ICT's coattails like every other fucking YouTuber right now, trying to get people to watch them on YouTube, but I'd rather not to, you know? Fuck it. The $500,000 bet is that ICT will not win the Robbins Cup with 11,000% return that he promised everyone he would do. He said he's going to break the record. He's going to break the record, 11,000% return. Trading micros. Did he officially agree to the bet? Yes, so many times. I'm gonna get my money. I'm gonna get my money, boy. I'm gonna get my money, boy. Honestly, ICT traders are good traders. Yeah, bro. Honestly, just like the person on Twitter the other day said, all ICT traders make money, making bank. ICT traders are making bank. Yeah. I've heard that. ICT traders make bank. They make bank. Oh my God, how do they make so much money? How does that make so much money? How? So money. I saw the big news from the other prop firm out there. Big news. Oh, buddy. You got some big news over there. Changing the game. You could trade 5 accounts now. I guess Apex 20 accounts are still not big enough. We need more. I was hoping for just a little bit more pullback. Would have been nice. NASDAQ still pushing here. Look at the VWAP just flat here now. The Dow right now is going nowhere. Nvidia is just taking the whole fucking NASDAQ to the moon. Joseph, you can have as many accounts basically passed. Like you can pass 100 evaluations on Apex, but you can only have 20 accounts activated. But you can have plenty of backups ready to go. Well, I think that might be time for me to walk away. It is currently 11 a.m. We got the move we were looking for this morning, the gap fill getting filled. And now it's time to go. So right now, Apex, 90% off. Apex has paid out the most money out of all the other prop firms in the world. Apex has paid out more than every other prop firm combined, times like 3. Think about that. Every other prop firm, take all of their payouts, times it by 2, 3, 5, whatever you want, and Apex has still paid out more than every other prop firm out there. Think about that. Think about that. Think about that. That means Apex lost millions. No, they haven't. They make millions. The blue line right there, pulling back. Oh, buddy. This market just cannot get out of its own way. I think we had some bill auctions at 11 o'clock, didn't we? Yeah, nope, that was 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock bill auctions. I guess that's probably why we had that big move there. No. Yeah, 3-month bill auction was at 10 o'clock, sorry. Turning into ICT with these sales pitches. Yeah. Everybody join my private mentorship and I will teach you about how the world's gonna end. Jesus is gonna come and everybody's gonna die, but you need to join my private mentorship right now. I'll teach you exactly how the market's gonna move, but don't worry, the market is gonna blow up because Jesus is not gonna, he's coming down. If you're not an ICT trader, you're going to hell. Going to hell. Join my private mentorship. Little bounce off the VWAP for now. This is just nasty right now. I saw that UBS raised the silver prices forecast. Well, good thing I got some silver coins. I bought these a while ago, actually. Little stack of silver. You gotta always be ready, baby. I can't see it, but silver dollar bills. That's like, I don't even know how much money that is, but silver, silver, silver. Where's the gold? I'll show you the gold. Look at the little gold. I got me a little gold bar. My 5 grams of gold, baby. All right. Will the NASDAQ find the support here we're looking for? This is exactly what I wanted to see happen when we are here to here. Now it's like I don't like this to there, but we'll see. I gotta go to the bathroom. I got things to do. It's 11 o'clock. It's fucking Tuesday, Monday. I don't even know what day it is. but it's time. It's a 4-day week, baby. We got to get it in. So we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back Thursday. We'll be back Friday. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, that subscribe button, you know what to do. Well, peace to the Middle East. I'll see you all tomorrow morning for some wild Wednesday price action. If I'm not here for some reason, that's probably because I'm out fishing. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East. Thanks for watching, and see y'all later on.